Baba, what's your name?
My name is Muhina Mihir.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Oh, what class do you read in?
I read in class play.
I read in class.
Play.
Oh, play. So what's your father's name?
My father's name is Shakil Hussain.
My father's name is
Shakil Hussain.
শাকিল হোসেন। ও বাবা, আমি এখন দেখবো আমার বাবাটা কিভাবে ইংলিশে কথা বলে। হ্যাঁ বাবা, অ্যাকচুয়ালি I want to know, introduce yourself.
Thank you very much.
Hmm.
This is Muhina Mihir.
Yes.
Front of you.
Bye.
At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to say something about me. First of all, I'm a student of
Okay.
Kash International English and Arabic School.
হুম,
I read in class play. I'm 5 years old. I'm from Thangai. I live in Shimotoli. My
What?
father's name is Shakil Hussain. My mother's name is Shabbat Akhtar.
thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Good. Thank you.